It's been about probably 6 to 7 years since I've been here. Last time I was racing my Pro Nitrous car. This track still looks the same. The weather's cooler, so that means nitrous cars are definitely going to fly. And we can definitely plant the tires to the track. Tonight is grade 8, and I'm still in it. Mine's the whole crash and deal. My guys thrashed to get this car ready in about 2.5 weeks, so that's pretty badass. I don't know anyone else that could do that. Car's not as pretty as what it looked like with paint, but still looks good to me. Still runs good. We did some testing in Virginia about a couple of days ago. Car ran pretty good. I feel comfortable. But we got to take it round by round. We did one grudge hit before the grade 8 race. Car love's really good. Got loose a little bit out there, but the track has a bump out there, so like a transition. So we got to try to soften it up to get over it. And we're gonna tune it down just a little bit so we can just try to make the run. We're first pair out. I got Jerry for first round, and we're running in the right lane. He's got the left lane. Jerry's been running really good. He's been making a comeback here lately, but right now I know he's having some trouble. I don't know what's going on. He's having race pack sensor issues, and I don't know if he's gonna make this round or not. But I'm gonna hold out as long as I can because I don't want to just give it up like that, you know. And I like to race him, and I want to be a team player. So anything he needs to help him out. But I don't know. Hopefully he can make it up here so we can have a good race. And I don't know. I just want a nice, smooth hit down this track, get some data, and move on from there. Felt good to make a full run. Oh,
I gotta get in there and start pushing real quick. Hey man, y'all push a little faster. Hey man, you're running the wrong way. All right, push back. There you go. Back up. guess they're both out.
They already put y'all on the clock, even though they're not back here yet. So hey, you can't start the clock till you get your shit back here.
Hey, no problem. Get the clock going. As soon as you cross that, we start 2 minutes. That's the way it is.
All right, 2 minutes. They put you on the clock now.
What?
They try to get it back down here. They just try to get it back down here.
All right, so Lizzy Musi unable to get it fixed, which means John move on to the finals of the grade A.
Hey guys, so we are rolling into round number 2 for the grade 8, and I drew Odom. I end up getting the left lane, he's got the right lane, and Odom's been running pretty fast, so we have to be on our game. When I was supposed to run Jerry, he ended up breaking, but we made a killer pass. That would be against him. The car was smooth as can be. We were super happy with it. We made some adjustments to the car that we used to run, probably going all the way back into Houston, because the car was like on rails until we had that long break. And actually when we rolled into Virginia, the last race against Jeff Lutz, we ended up having a converter issue, and ever since then the car has just been, I felt like we got lost a little bit. So, but the car is doing its job, it's working, especially after coming from a crash. I'm getting my confidence back, so we're getting ready. I start my car and I hear something, like, I don't know, I've been racing for a long time, been doing this for, it's getting up there now. It's really telling my age, like 9-10 years, it's getting there. I'm used to hearing things, and like I'll catch things if something sounds off tune, you know. I start my car, rev it, and it just sounds off. And in my mind, I was like, I was not even gonna tell them on the radio, you know what, when you're racing, you're gonna do whatever you can. You're gonna hope, you're just gonna send it, you know? So I go ahead, do my burnout, and I get off the throttle, and all of a sudden the car just keeps going, like the throttle hung. And I actually had that happen in testing, and we ended up fixing that. So I thought it was that, and I got off the throttle automatically, I just killed the car. But push down on throttle, make sure the, hold on, can't even think because it's a long day. Oh God, hold on, give me I need a,
Hold on.
not the throttle, help me, man.
I'm thinking myself, I done had a brain fart.
You know, that's, I know, me
Yeah,
too. Whatever, I'll just make, yeah. So I
you-
pushed the throttle down, it didn't get stuck, it came right back. So it wasn't that. So next move is start it back up and try to get it going again. I turned it over, well, I tried turning it over, and it just sounded like it was just locked up. It was like dunk, 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 like that, and I said, oh shit. Like, I thought it was either converter or something is locked up, and it was either in the motor, transmission, converter, one of the two. And you know, at that time I was desperate. I was just laying on it, laying on the start, or the starter went or something. I was just laying on that thing, and I knew it was done. It was completely done. We had to push back. Odom took the wind light, and we had to go back to the trailer with our heads down. Again, no luck. Once for all, like I don't know. We got no luck. We just keep fighting these gremlins over and over and over again. But we get back to the trailer, and my dad starts taking the valve covers off, checking the valve train, and it ended up getting some push rods, and it basically dropped the valve, but I think it jumped the tooth before it dropped the valve. So we basically needed to change the motor. My dad wanted to keep the manifold from that motor and put it on because it's got the idle. Yeah, it's got the idle set already, everything. So with the jets are all in set, all in place. Everything's just, we're familiar with that manifold. So we ended up putting it on for on the new motor. We warm it up. We were gonna try to make another test run, but we didn't have enough time to do that.